I don't think he heard you, Blizzard.
A-Rod.
I don't think he's there. A-Rod, you there? A-Rod.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh, hey, copy Big Bird's armor. Or do you not
Just
have the
EVA.
EVA? Yeah, it's all EVA with the,
And then the arms, the forearms and legs don't matter. And then the visor's white.
yeah.
The stance doesn't matter either.
Yeah, we don't need no female Spartans.
That was me.
There you go.
Alright, do I match exactly?
Yep. You don't have to do the stance, just or
Wait,
the forearms or legs, just chest, shoulders,
Wait,
and
your armor? Big Bird?
yeah.
Yeah.
I have eBay. Alright, this is exactly what you need. You need helmet, torso, left shoulder, and right shoulder, all EVA. And then the rest doesn't matter other than the visor, and it has to be frost.
Yeah, I don't have.
Do we need another person?
Wait, I don't have that
No,
armor.
we could wait till next one.
Oh,
doesn't have
A-Rod
that
doesn't
armor.
have his armor.
Oh yeah, huh? Alright, then just stay the same.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna start this off. Nobody move. Gonna get everyone in their places. Now, the only people that can't be affected are
A-Rod or
me, my guest, and Captain Crunch. Everyone else, since you all mostly look the same, those EVA, we just need one white and one red. So
I'll be the white.
it chooses automatically. Go right now. Again, when we start, nobody move. We'll get you all into your places. Captain Crunch, let me know if you're a flood. Got that, Bobby?
Blizzard, are there any machinimas between the 15th and 25th?
15th to 25th, probably.
Because I won't be able to, because I'm going to go on family vacation. Just give me a heads up.
We're more than halfway done with
Oh, that's good.
Flood.
Wait, who's a flood?
Why is everyone moving? I don't get it. There's a lot of flood.
Oh, Bobby. Bobby's in here? I guess.
Game over.
He just got annihilated. Hey Blizzard, have you done any machinimas before this one?
Yeah.
over.
It's your fault. I didn't do it.
343's fault for giving me an option to choose who's infected. It's fault.
Anything after 11 o'clock on both sides is good. Have to be 11 o'clock.
Hopefully it doesn't take as long as it did last time.
Well, it shouldn't,
Last-
because now we have people looking the same, so.
Yeah.
Flood. Game over.
Come on, Captain Crunch.
Oh, bro, I'm too tired. Oh, my dad already bought the ring to see. I'll go first.
What is this mission about? Or mission about?
Basically a movie, but on a video game.
Oh, he knows what it is. He has watched.
Flood.
Yeah.
Game over.
Wait, who was flood this time? It wasn't supposed to be.
Blizzard.
Yeah, me and my guest.
That's a damn shame.
It is.
Isn't there a setting where you can pick who's
No.
flood?
Nope.
Yeah, because Tifa 3 doesn't know how to do that kind of shit.
On.
God damn it.
Flood. Game over.
I'm getting pissed. Because every time we've done it so far, that's what.
Maybe if we had a bigger lot. Because if everyone looked the same.
Fucking taking forever, dude.
Just
Oh, no,
hope
this
for
is
the
nothing
best.
compared to last time.
No. We did it like
That's
7,000
several
times. Not even kidding. Remember that Blizzard with
Yeah.
Carson messing everything up?
I wasn't
Little
there.
butt.
Yeah, because you left.
Yeah, because it fucking.
Flood.
Oh my god, it actually
I wanna
worked.
kill each other. I wanna kill each
Holy
other.
crap, it worked. It worked, I'm gonna cry.
So we got Blue.
When you walk with Bird,
Got the big bird. We got Captain Crunch.
Wait, we're not supposed to move?
No, alright, to my, anyone who's not infected, you see this orange guy jumping?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
Follow
no, that's not. I'm infected.
Bobby, yeah, so follow him inside if you're not infected.
Yeehaw. New one?
Knock it off, Captain.
Or we might have
Hey, Sepia.
we have a small problem.
What?
Weapons did not spawn.
Oh my god, this is pissing me off. What weapons are we supposed to have?
Supposed to have some battle rifles. That look super ugly without them, so I have to do this, but
Game over.
I didn't die, that's funny.
alright, Captain Crunch, you said you had a friend.
Oh no, she got off.
I got somebody.
Guaranteed, or you don't know? Hopefully we could get it right on the first try.
Alright, he's coming.
Doubt it.
Where is he? He'll be here.
The one Neo.
Hey,
He has to get out of the party chat, he knows that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The hell's the one Neo?
I don't know.
You could help us out.
Cool ass helmet.
Alright, you tell him to get in the game chat.
Who's beating their meat?
Big Bird.
Captain went to they interview you in like
Or did anything happen?
No.
Yeah, the guns didn't spawn.
Dude, that guy's helmet is ugly.
So is whose friend is Neo?
Badass. It's mine.
Alright, you can tell him to get in the game